Most singular nouns are made plural by adding a suffix s or es. Let's learn singular and plural nouns with some examples. Cat, cats. Tree, trees. Book, books. Bus, buses. Box, boxes. Baby, babies. Woman, women. Man, men. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Leaf, leaves. Mouse, mice. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Cup, cups. Mango,